Hi, now today we're going to talk about New York City. Now New York City is amazing. It has really beautiful buildings, really big Central Park. I mean, come on, Central Park. Also, there's also really nice cathedrals. Cathedrals are churches, big churches, where like maybe more than 100 people could go inside and, you know, thank you, Jesus. And also the famous Empire State Building, really famous museums. New York City is a very beautiful, very packed city. When I say packed, I mean there's a lot of people there because it's very famous, New York City. It's been in the movies, we know it from the Avengers, New York City, Spider-Man, Queens, and also just the architecture is just beautiful. So if you ever go to New York City, please visit the cathedrals, the movies, the malls, everything, even the museums. I know a lot of people don't like museums, but go to the museums. Anyway, that's it on New York City. Bye!